Here's an empty warehouse. This is the after. The crews came in at 8 o'clock this morning, started dismantling the warehouse full of pallet racking. It had 16-foot high, 48-inch deep uprights, 12-foot beams, and 48 by 46 wire decks. There were 7 rows of racking in this warehouse with 3 to 5 levels in each section. So it's about 5 o'clock on Wednesday afternoon. The crew started at 8 o'clock a.m. So this empty warehouse, and this is everything that we just took out, staged outside, created a barricade with the uprights. Got a flatbed truck coming in at 7 a.m. tomorrow morning. We're gonna load that flatbed truck full of this racking. It's a 48-foot flatbed truck. We'll load that with the uprights, beams, and decks and remove from the customer's facility. If you need warehouse racks taken out of your facility, or if you need to purchase, have racks delivered and installed, palletrackworld.com. Email us sales, S-A-L-E-S, at palletrackworld.com. This is it from Greensboro, North Carolina. This project is almost complete.